Have you ever wondered why the Cessna 172 Skyhawk remains the go-to for student pilots everywhere? This aircraft model has earned a legendary reputation as a preferred training plane. But what exactly makes it so special for beginners? From its forgiving handling to its reliable design, this aircraft has been trusted for decades to help new aviators build confidence in the cockpit. Whether you're just curious about flying or seriously considering lessons, the Skyhawk offers lessons beyond the runway. Stick with us as we uncover the top 5 reasons why this plane is truly unmatched for those starting their journey to become pilots. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Reason 1. Training reliability. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk is one of the most trusted aircraft for new pilots, largely because of its predictable flight characteristics. Its Lycoming IO 360 L2A engine delivers 180 horsepower, giving students enough power to practice climbs, turns, and descents without overwhelming them. Flight schools rely on this plane because it consistently responds the same way, which helps learners build confidence quickly. The Skyhawk's forgiving nature allows mistakes to be corrected smoothly, making it an invaluable stepping stone for future aviators. Beyond training benefits, the aircraft's 4-seat layout makes it versatile for instruction with an instructor and passengers. Students can invite observers to join, which creates an environment where flying feels approachable instead of intimidating. Add in a maximum range of 640 nautical miles or 1,185 kilometers or 737 miles, and this plane offers opportunities for longer lessons or scenic cross-country trips without constant fuel stops. Its legacy as a trainer is unmatched, and it continues to be the most popular choice in aviation schools around the globe. Reason 2. Safety assurance. For beginners, safety is always the top concern, and the Cessna 172 has proven itself for decades in this area. With a maximum cruise speed of 124 knots or 230 kilometers per hour, it provides enough space to feel like a real aircraft while staying manageable for students still learning flight procedures. Its maximum ceiling of 14,000 feet or 4,264 meters allows training in varied conditions while keeping operations within a safe, controlled range. These specifications create a learning environment where mistakes are less punishing compared to faster, more demanding planes. The forgiving landing profile is another highlight. The Skyhawk requires just 1,335 feet or 407 meters to land, making it a reliable choice for short runways and smaller training fields. This is critical for new pilots developing landing techniques since it reduces stress and lowers risk. Combined with its strong track record in schools and private ownership, the aircraft continues to set the standard for safe, beginner-friendly flying. Its reputation is not just earned through history, but through daily performance across countless lessons worldwide. Reason 3. User-friendly. One of the biggest reasons the Skyhawk remains popular among instructors is its straightforward operation. The controls are intuitive, which lets students focus on mastering fundamentals instead of being distracted by complex systems. With a fuel capacity of 42 gallons or 159 liters, lessons can last long enough to cover essential skills while still leaving reserves for safety. Pilots in training appreciate the consistent engine response and balanced handling, both of which contribute to a smoother learning experience. Takeoff is equally approachable, With a required distance of just 1,630 feet or 497 meters, the Skyhawk can operate from shorter fields, giving students exposure to different runway conditions. This adaptability allows schools to use it in varied training environments without additional aircraft. Everything about the design emphasizes steady growth, allowing new aviators to focus on learning technique rather than worrying about managing complicated performance factors. That simplicity has kept the Skyhawk in service longer than many aircraft ever achieved. Reason 4. Learning Foundation. The Skyhawk sets the stage for a pilot's future, offering a foundation that translates smoothly into more advanced aircraft. New aviators develop habits and techniques on this platform that carry into their careers, whether pursuing private flying or commercial operations. Its steady climb rate, predictable stall behavior, and forgiving handling make it an ideal first step in aviation. This is why so many seasoned professionals still recall their first flights in a Skyhawk. At the same time, the aircraft offers enough performance to feel rewarding. With space for 4 passengers, students can share experiences with family or friends, creating lasting memories that go beyond training. The mix of reliability, straightforward operation, and proven safety record ensures that every hour logged in the Skyhawk builds skills with confidence. It continues to inspire new pilots by making aviation approachable and exciting from the very first flight. We're just about to reveal the #1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content, and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Reason 5. Enduring value. The Skyhawk is not just an aircraft for learning. It's also a long-term investment. Buyers often find that its reliable and lower maintenance costs outweigh the initial expense. For flight schools, this translates into consistent use across thousands of training hours without the frequent downtime that comes with more complex models. Its durability ensures that even after heavy student use, the aircraft remains dependable for years. Students benefit from this value as well, since rental rates are often lower when aircraft require less upkeep. That accessibility gives more people the opportunity to pursue flight training without excessive costs. Combined with its reputation for dependability, this makes the Skyhawk a wise choice for schools and private owners alike. The financial aspect reinforces why it continues to dominate training fleets around the world, proving that long-term trust in this aircraft is well-deserved, with a price range of $400,000 to $500,000 US. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk has stood the test of time as the aircraft that welcomes more pilots into the skies than any other. From training schools to personal flying, its dependable design and approachable handling make it a favorite for those just starting out. Now that you've seen the top 5 reasons why it's the best beginner-friendly aircraft, what do you think? Do you agree? Or would you choose another plane to learn it? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe!